Hi guys, welcome to Tech D. In this video, we are going to see how to summarize a YouTube video using ChatGPT. First of all, if you don't have enough time to watch a longer videos on YouTube, then you can learn the concept of the videos quickly by summarizing it. So watch this video till the end to know it. At first, go to your Chrome browser and search Chrome Web Store and click the first link. Search YouTube summary with ChatGPT and Cloud A. The link is also in the description. Click that. Install the Chrome extension to your browser. I already installed it. If you don't know whether this extension is installed or not, click the puzzle icon. You can see it. Now go to YouTube. And click the video that you want to summarize. I choose this video. Then you see the ChatGPT icon from the right side.
Mega taskers are not quick, we are super quick. That's why
Click that. It will automatically go to ChatGPT and summarize the video like this. You see, it can also transcribe the videos. So hereafter, you don't have to watch longer videos to learn the concepts. You can summarize easily and quickly learn the concepts and also save your time like this. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more tech videos like this, and also comment what tech related video you want next. Goodbye.